Just got the mini X unloaded. Get ready to head back behind the hay barn. Okay, so rolling behind the hay barn here because when they built this building, they stripped some dirt back, and what they did, they piled it up over here and on that north side of the barn over there. So water runs from in those trees and runs down into the north part of the barn. So we're gonna dig a trench straight down through here, and it's gonna come out into this brushy wooded area right here. Good thing I got Ross running that from Franklin County Forage, because if not, I would have ate up all the time getting it off the trailer. Okay, so as usual, I forget to just turn on the camera for a while, but I ended up going up on top of the roof here and cutting back some of the top side of the trees. We got to take out just a few more right here, so we can just keep on cutting this back with the blade on the Mini X, and then we'll start digging our trench. Let me take you over to the other side. All right, so over here, Ross is taking out that last stump, and then we're gonna take out the split tree and the one there behind it, and it'll open this up a lot more. Oh, I'm tired of using that pole saw. Whew. And then we'll dig that trench. Close. As far as I can get it.
problem is, I should have left more of the vine down low.
Yeah, so you can get your feet on it.
Yeah.
Day 2, using the Mini X. Got the skid steer out today too. Been doing a little bit of clearing, a little bit of cleanup from yesterday. So here's the barn. We got the slope coming away from the building. Got the roadway a little bit straightened out. And then this is where we're taking the water. So Gonna get a little time lapse going here. It's trenching time. After all that digging, we were finally able to put the 6-inch tile pipe, laid it down in the trench, and we got some 2-inch gravel. As you can see, we filled the trench all the way up. Fortunately, the hill just starts dropping off right over there. I mean, it has been dropping the whole way, but it shallowed out there. The pipe popped out of the ground real nice. It ended up being about 200 foot. It is about how long it is. After we got the trench filled up, between the trench and the building, I ended up coming in here with some driveway underlayment just to hold the rock up, not let it sink into the ground, so you don't have to keep on putting gravel on year after year. So after I put the gravel or the driveway underlayment down, then I finished it with the 2-inch on top of it, and as you can see, we got the barn re-sided. It was just used tin that was on there from another building, so especially on one side of the roof it had holes in it. So before we got hay in there, we got all this redone. So I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Again, we're here on the north side of the barn, so we did wrap the trench around here as you saw, but it was a lot of work. It was a lot of time, a lot of sweat in the heat of the summer, but it needed to be done. So we also just recently, in the past couple of days, got these new gutters put on. 6-inch gutters, front and back. One thing that we are going to do is we're going to tie this gutter here, probably run some piping to the back there, so it will just drain right into that tile and out away from the building. But for now, these gutters are going to help out a bunch with just the water in front of the barn here. I mean, we just had some torrential downpours in the past couple of days. As you can see, see how wet it is out there in that low spot. But you can just see in front of the building here how much drier it is from those gutters. So those have been a huge help. Thank you guys for watching. That's all we got on this project right now. We got this barn full of hay from first cutting, and we're closing in now. Right now we're about a week away from second cutting, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment below. See ya.